I am so tired. It's about sometime after 5 a.m. This morning I'll be collecting the final observation from those detached leaf assay that I was testing to see if the light conditions and nutritions give high spore counts in those three isolates of the pathogen. So I'm going to go see if there's actually infection and to what degree. These are the samples, and I had them I had them misted so that they would have a humid condition. Ooh, so that is the agar plug that I used to inoculate, and then you can see the massive growth. I don't know if you can see like the gray white fibers, but yeah, that's a pathogen. That's amazing. Moment of truth. Whoa, my God. Ooh. Interesting. I mean, yes. So I'm just going to take leaf samples to look at the fungus, if there's any inside the leaf. So this is just the control. As usual, you need a control. So I'm just going to use this cork borer. Do so. Okay, that wasn't done well, but let us try again. Or did I think I used the wrong size. All right, one more try. Right, it's in that. And I have you. And I'll put it in this. Oh. There we go. To the leaf sample I collected, I'm adding clearing solution, which is a high concentration of vinegar and ethanol, and see, they're starting to change color. So it's removing the chlorophyll, which gives the leaf its green color. I am so tired. It's about sometime after 5 a.m. I'm not usually in this early, but I had an airport run and I just decided that I would just come into the lab, do what I had to do today, and then head home versus going home, napping, and then coming back. It just didn't make any sense. I'm very tired. I probably got 3 hours of sleep, if that much. But I don't usually get to see the sunrise, and this morning it was beautiful. So far in this side of Canada, we haven't had any issues with forest fires, so the skies are still clear. That's not the case in some provinces, and the fumes or the haze, it's been seen in the States, in New York, Boston, Washington. So I'm grateful. It's a climate crisis, but I'm grateful that we still have clear skies, and I'm just going to put what the sunset looks like here. It was so beautiful, and I'm glad that I caught it. Okay, let's go. So I guess first order of business is I have some staining to do, so I'm going to do that. On Monday I had set them to decolorize in glacial acetic acid, which is just a high concentration of vinegar and ethanol. And so I took that decolorizing liquid out, so it removes the chlorophyll from, so the green color from the leaf segments. Rinse it with water, then I added a base to clear it, so potassium hydroxide, and I'm going to incubate that. and while that's being incubated, I'm going to go collect the final set of observation for my experiment. So yeah. Nope. Oh, I'm sure they're labeled. I never remember. There we go. And yay. I'll then collect my samples. I just have this left. Today I'm carrying out a histochemical staining excuse me, to see if the plant was infected inside. If I can see the fungus, I can see it on top of the leaf, so I'll put an image here, and now I'm going to go see if I can see it inside the leaf. So at first I collected the leaf sample, I cleared it to remove the chlorophyll with ethanol and acetic acid. Then I rinse it with water, then I add a sodium hydroxide, actually this is potassium hydroxide, to clear it. Then there's two staining, so this is why it's a histochemical stain. The first stain is blue, lactophenol blue, which will stain the chitin in the fungal cell wall if present blue. And then the safranin O, which is red, will stain the plant materials, the cell structures, red, oranges, peaches, thus providing contrast for the spores. Fungi, those thin purple structures. Yep. Fungal hyphae are those thick purple bluish tubes that it uses to grow and explore vegetative structures. No spores though, because it hadn't germinated. Does this look like a line drawing of somebody's face? It does to me. Lips with the bulging cheeks, and I don't know, it looks like abstract art. Forecast says that there's smoke in the sky, or there should be smoke. It kind of looks hazy compared to yesterday and this morning, which was pretty clear. But I'm always wearing a mask, so that's good. And I'm heading home.